Landing gear and flaps to come up, and they'll commence the diamond half squirrel cage on takeoff.
The winds are 220 and 10. That's a headwind. Check your parking brake off, check your tube set, check your nozzle steering on. Maneuver diamond half squirrel cage, left turn. JK, Billy, diving up there at 9, let's fire up for the back cab. Hoorah! Right, fella.
Now, to the left, Captain Frost calls. Smoke on! Off brakes now! Burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice the smoke is not visible while the engines are in afterburner. As the Diamond pilots pull into the vertical, they will experience 4 times the force of gravity required to perform this looping maneuver.